normal. It is not a thing like I'm going to communicate in the no, in whole one video I'm going to communicate about leadership. Everybody has leader inside them. Okay, every homo sapien has leader inside them. I'm saying each and every homo sapien has leader inside them. Okay, each and every homo sapien has leader inside them. Firstly, what is leader? Basically, Homo sapiens approach it as like a person who guides the whole mass, whole group, as power, as enthusiasm, as authenticity, as authority, guiding the whole mass, whole public, whole the group, whole the scenario in a very powerful way. In a very powerful way. Guiding the whole group, guiding the whole scenario. But it's beyond of that. I'm saying it's beyond of that. Leadership is beyond this. When I'm saying about leadership, a leader must be filled totally inside, outside, both. Totally the fashion of leader. The fashion of a leader is must from inside and outside. Total fashion of the leader must be inside and outside. Total fashion of the leader. Like the leader must fuel itself very powerfully intellectually, emotionally, mentally, physically, psychologically, whole biology, whole physiology, psychology must be there very precise with the leader. Because in a situation, for example, a leader is there giving speech or commanding or leading a team. There, a person, a Homo sapien wakes up and asks the leader, hey, I want to ask you why a leader communicate and guide us in this journey. The topic that you has brought, from where you have brought it, what is the authenticity of that topic that you have brought with us to guide us, to lead us. If a person asks how you're going to reply it, how a leader is going to apply to this topic, very basic topic I talk about, how a leader is going to reply or to this topic. Basically, the leader must be fueling itself intellectually. Very important, intellect. Very important is intellect. Intellectual capacity of the leader is a very powerful thing. Let it be intellectual, let it be mental, let it be emotional, let it be psychological, let it be physiological, let it be biological. Everything is important. But firstly, intellect is very important. How to guide in a systematic, organized, structured manner to the whole team. How to show the vision to the team. I'm talking about the vision. I'm talking about the vision. Okay, how to show, the vision to the team. I'm talking about vision. From the beginning, if you were in a leader's team, you have the vision of the team. Okay, what is the team meant for? One has to know why is the team made. Why is the leader's team is made? What is the vision of the team? What is the vision of the whole leading team? For example, I'm talking about the AI team. AI team. When I talk about an AI team, what will happen in the AI team? AI needs a leader. For example, I'm going to make a uh, AI model. AI model. For example, I'm going to make a AI model. So there we need a leader. Basically, I'm very lame way I am talking about to basically a leader, because there are various things before a leader: whole management, whole organization, whole knowledge gathering, whole professional gathering, whole trainer gathering. All the things is we have together firstly. Thereafter, we need a mentor, leader, guide to structure all these things in a scenario, to structure and organize all these things in a very powerful scenario. Okay, to structure all these things very powerfully within the organization. For example, I'm taking an organization name, our organization, my year organization. I'm talking about it. So where AI, how we are dealing with it, we from organizing all these stuffs, from having all these stuffs like for our team, professionals, management, technological things, machineries, computers, systems, currency, budget, each and everything is defined firstly. Thereafter, after defining everything, after defining and having everything, After defining and having everything, what we will need, after having all these stuff, we need a leader to guide, to manage, to show path, to illuminate in front of us. Okay, it must illuminate everything in front of us, illuminate each and everything in front of us. I'm saying it is the illuminator. Firstly, it is the most powerful illuminator must be to guide the whole team. I'm talking about the year team, to guide the whole organization very powerfully to guide the whole organization. The leader must be like that. So a leader having the power, responsibility with them, that to guide the whole team to the vision that they have seen. Okay, so vision I'm talking about, vision of the AI team is to build AI that is going to take whole task of the like internet, all the task of the things. Is like our vision is to make an AI model that will be taking all the tasks, like from research, from making images, prototypes, research, images, documents, reports, each and everything. So this is our vision. So how the leader will be going to execute all these things is into reality. The leader must have detailed approach, detailed, scientific, logical, practical, reasonable, rational approach in dealing this. Okay, in the team, the leader must take all these responsibility to learn deeply about the mission, vision, purpose of the whole scenario, of the whole team. The leader must take each and everything of the whole team. It is very powerful. It is very powerful for the leader to take charge of the whole team, take the whole responsibility of learning each and everything, and thereafter guiding the whole people in that scenario. That is the leader. That is the leader, is that. Thereafter, the psychological mentality, the psyche of the leader is to very strong psyche of a, I'm talking about a very strong psyche of a leader. Like the leader can lead, eventually smallest of the smallest things is the leader can deal with. Like if in a computer system a new homo sapien or new professional is sitting there, or it do not know about that particular thing, that how to do that coding structure or a particular codes format there in the coding structure, like in the scripting of the coding for modeling the intelligence, AI intelligence model. If the strict if the model is if the model is particularly there, certain things has come out from the person, that and the person approached the leader will guide the person that this must be like that. Means the leader is the most well-known personality, well-known of the well-known of the well-known personality, well-knowing each and everything. Means highly intellectual person. A leader is the highly intellectual person. We must get to become highly intellectual, knowing each and everything. Otherwise, what happen, we can also have a scenario, if leader guides, manages, sees and oversees and guides and takes the team into the vision, we can have mediator, or we can have with the leader some professionals who will be guiding the leader, or along with leader they are also going to lead the team. We have multiple leaders, multiple version of leaders we have in the team. We cannot have deal with one leader, two leader, three leader. We can deal with multiple leaders in the team, because depending upon a single leader will really have tremendous pressure on the leader. So we have multiple leaders who will be going to authenticate and professionalize themselves in particular fields. For example, in the AI model, we have structure model. In the mathematical model, quantitative model, structure model is there. First, in AI, I'm talking about AI is structured on quants, mathematical model. Thereafter, in structure of AI, how to make the AI structure, total, how to function it, how to imbibe the intelligence. So we have various departments for various intelligence. We can have various leaders for various intelligence of the AI. For building AI, we need these leadership team for building the whole AI model. There are various different approach. I talk about from a single leader to the whole team of guider, professional, and their leaders in the whole team. Okay, So this is what I talk about the leaders here. It's like the guides who are highly intellectual and they're professional of their own field. They will guide the whole team very powerfully in their genre, in their particular genre. If they're there, if for example I talk about in AI, quantitative is very important, mathematical things are very important. If a leader is there with the highly quantitative aptitude for the AI, and he is managing the whole AI's quantitative approach with the dealings of making the whole report, making the whole analysis, making the whole things is codings, writing the scripts, writing the whole codes, writing the mathematical derivations, all the things is of the AI very structurally. That will lead the team in a very powerful way. The next day, the leader will come into the office and represent all the data and showcase all the mathematical quantitative things that are needed in the AI to build the AI powerfully. It will represent it, it will guide it, it will showcase it mathematically, it will make it understand the whole team that this will be like that, this will must be like that, this mathematic formula must be like that, the set, the paradigm, the whole quants, the calculus, the things is all the stats, all the things is of the quants and mathematics are with the particular sector of quant leader. We can say the leader to be quant leader, basically the professional with a quant leader, professionalist of the particular quant leader professionalist I'm talking about. So there will be a different professionalist that will deal with the function of AI, how the AI will function, how the artificial intelligence will function, how to program. A programmers team is there, programmers leader is there, who will going to every day in the every day the programmer go and make the whole programs, reports, or the projects of programming very presentable and comes to the office and present it to the whole homo sapiens very powerfully, very powerfully, very powerfully. So this is called a division, this is called the genre of leaders, and these are very essential in our society. While in companies like they have CEOs as their leaders, but when we are dealing with it, we can structure it for various structures, various leaders. There will be lower pressure and there will be more professionalism into it. I'm saying about lower pressure and more professionalism into it. That is reality. When we divide the whole team into set of teams, or for example a leader in quants, or two leaders are there in the quant field of the whole company, of the whole AI company, that will, the leaders will be having lower pressure because the whole function of the company will, of the quant will be with two or three persons as their leaders and CEOs and all the professionals with their team. But within the function of the AI intelligence, what is the function of the AI intelligence? When I'm going to talk about the function of the AI intelligence in the company, that will be having a different team, different professionals that will be going to work, that will be going to make their presentation, make their learnings, make their intellect, make their all the structure of AI, all the plannings of the AI totally complete. So there will be low pressure, more professionalism into the field. Okay, there will be low pressure, more professionalism, and that will lead to more productivity, more growing field, more dynamic industry, more dynamic, more growing, more powerful industry, which I'm talking about it right now. There will be another team called so-called testing team, testing team that will test the AI. I can take AI testing team is also there. There will be leaders, for example, one or two leaders are there in the AI testing team. They're highly professional, highly dealing with the testings of AI. They will test the AI in multiple ways, multiple ways that will let the AI to function more powerfully. They will check the whole functionality of AI. So various structure of teams are divided into the whole management of the company. So when the whole management of the company is divided into all these sectors, they will be going to work with very less what called pressure and with more professionalism and with more productivity. This is the very basic structure of a company, of a management, of a team, of a leader, very powerfully, very easily. And this must be there with them. And they must be intellectually fueling themselves every day, each time, with their particular thing. Let it be quants, let it be whatever their sector is, they're going to fuel themselves every day, each moment, each time. That is the responsibility of a leader in the whole scenario of a company. a full company. I'm talking about an AI company. I have taken the example of an AI team and an AI company.